Hi there and welcome back to Flawless POS. This is Claire and today we'll be doing the second installment in a series of product related videos. What we'll be looking at is the variant template. I'll explain to you briefly how and when we would use that, and then we'll end with a short illustration. We use variant templates when we are working with a product which can be sold with variations. Think, for example, of a ring. Typical variations there would be size, as well as perhaps the metal color or the gemstone. In today's example, I'm going to be creating a set of white gold stud earrings, which can be sold either with amethyst stone or citrine stone. Right, let's get to it. Now, following the previous video, I've created a very simple product view because our main focus today is on the variant template. So let's give this product a name. I'm going to call it amethyst stud earrings, and the vendor will be demo vendor. The SKU, let's just call it SKU amethyst stud earrings, and let's sell it for $100, why not? And of course the type is earrings. We'll skip over component template for the moment, and then I'm going to show you how to create a variant template. Now, I already have a couple available in the system, but I rather want to create a new one so that you can see how it gets done. Let's call this variant template, we'll just call it gemstone type. Oops, fix that. And then what I need to do is I need to create a variant option. When creating variant options, we have two choices. We can add from an existing attribute template, or we can add a custom option by clicking Add Blank Option. When adding from an attribute template, you have the option to add metal type, item size, stone type, or stone shape. And these will be pre-configured for you with a set of lookup values. Alternatively, I can click blank option, and here I can create any option of my choice and provide my own values for that option. So even though the attribute variant templates already offers an option for stone type, in order to show you how to add a custom option, I'm just going to go ahead and create the same type of option right here. I'll call this one gem, and the values what I'll add is amethyst. I'll just use that for the code as well, and citrine. There we go. And you'll see here that when this option appears online, I can display it as a text, swatch and value, or a drop down. I like choosing drop down, so I'll do that. And then I'll click OK and select this variant template from the drop down here on the product view. If I click OK, the product wizard will launch, and all the information that I've captured on the product view will pull through here. We're well on our way now. The first variant product has been created, and all I need to do is come over here and make sure that the correct stone type or gem type is associated with the product, which it is. And in my case, I want this product to appear online, so I'm just going to come here and adjust those settings as well. Next, I need to create a variant product for the citrine. So to do that, I come click Add Variant. And in this case, I have an option. I can create a brand new variant product, or I can convert an existing product to a variant that's attached to the set. I'll just go ahead and create a new product for now. And you'll notice that all the product views that are available in the system are appearing here. But in the interest of time, I'm going to click the simple view. I want to point out that if your product view previously contained a variant template, as ours did over here, when you create the variant, then that template will be hidden because the variant already knows which template it is associated with. So now that we are creating a variant for the citrine stud earrings, I'm just going to go ahead and modify these details. Citrine stud earrings, I'll just try and make it unique. Let's see if that works. There we go. Now see, I'm coming to the variants tab, but I need to update this selected variant to a different stone type. And the one that's available to us is citrine, because those are the two options that we added, or the two values that we added when we created the variant template. So that's good. And then the other thing, of course, that I want to do is to add this to the online store. I'm going to go ahead and save that now, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the product list. There we go, here they are, the citrine stud earrings and the amethyst stud earrings. But you'll notice we haven't yet uploaded images for these two products. Now, I could have done that before, but I forgot, so we'll go back and do this now. So I'll have to individually modify each product, and this is the citrine stud earrings, so I can go to images. And I'm going to upload images from my local file system, although if I had a product in inventory already that had an appropriate image, I could have clicked here and linked it from an existing product. This image picker will return all products that have images associated with them. But like I said, I'm going to pick an image from my file system, and because this is the citrine studs, I'm going to pick this one. Now, in order for this image to appear online, I need to make it public, which I can do by doing that. And then I'm going to save it. And instead of having to go back to the product list to get to the amethyst earrings, I can just switch variants over here. How easy is that? Okay, same story as before. I've got a picture here on my file system that I want to use. And I mustn't forget to make it public. Right, so now if we go back to the product list, we'll be able to see these products with their images as well. There we go. Now to end this video, I want to take you to the online store and show you the end result of our variant products. I have a product link here specifically for these two products, and you'll see that I've got my citrine stud earrings and I've got the amethyst stud earrings. If I click on either of these products, it will default to the variant values that they've been set up with. You can see here's the variant image and here's the variant value. But I can change to the other values and the product will update accordingly. So it's quite nice because if I go to the product list, I see all the variants, they're not bundled together. But if I click on an individual variant, I'm still able to swap between the options. Alright, that's it for this video, and please join back in the next video. We'll have a look at product components, how to set up component templates and use those templates to create assembled products and composite products. See you then!